decision to watch and wait remains a very real option for many banks whose future remains uncertain. Chief Financial Officer at Fidelity Bank and former chairman of the Bahamas Clearing Banks Association, Gowan Bowe, says a new day has dawned in the financial lending market as the ongoing pandemic has created new challenges to the market. He says the goal is to not only protect depositors, but to tighten loan availability, primarily to approve applications to those who show greater potential to repay despite current circumstances.
It's a balancing act because you want the borrowers to get back to stability because they need to pay back what they borrowed so that the depositors and the shareholders get made whole. We look at banks very one-sided. So we look at, forget the depositor shareholder side. We look at the bank as being the institution that's doing the lending. And so why y'all can't be lenient? Why you can't be why you can't give a break? Why can't you do it? But who am I giving the break to?
With more than $1.8 billion in loan deferrals reported by the Central Bank of the Bahamas recently, Bowe says while such news is concerning for banks, many would rather discuss repayment options than forego the possibility of foreclosures or even prosecution.
There's no point in me putting you into bankruptcy because then I don't get any money back, and so there's nothing with ones there. Equally, I can't forgive. So I have to work with you in order to get you to understand that, yeah, your payments are going to be stretched out, but you still have an obligation and don't lose sight of it.
As for depositors and shareholders, Bowe cautions, temper your expectations.
Because the interest rates I can give to a depositor are going to be pressed. The shareholder return is going to be reduced, right? Ideally, you don't want to turn losses because, again, if you invest $1, are you wanting someone to say, here's back 95 cents? Now, you don't mind hearing 115, but you don't want to hear 95 cents.
The bottom line, according to Bowe, today's loan market is not a borrower's paradise. However, continued confidence in regulatory prudence is the one silver lining for depositors. Lloyd Allen, ZNS Network News.